Today, I'm going to show you how to make an easy 3D hot air balloon. You need a balloon template, which you can find online, colored cardstock, a toilet paper roll, scissors, glue or tape, a circular paper punch, and twine. Start by cutting out 4 hot air balloon shapes from different colors. I used my Cricut cutting machine to make sure that they were the same size. Fold them in half and glue each side to another paper to make it 3D. Cut a little piece of toilet paper roll off and tape some twine to the inside. Punch out some circles from some leftover paper and glue the dots on the side. Tape the top pieces of string to the inside of 2 balloons. Your kids are sure to love all the colors and playing with this craft outside. Thanks for watching and make sure to join me next week.